I've tested and purchased these gas-riding lawnmowers so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a weekend warrior, finding the right mower can be a daunting task. In this review, I'll walk you through my top 5 picks that promise to make lawn care easier and more efficient. Product number 1. LawnMaster MEB 1114K Electric Corded Lawnmower. Let me tell you about my experience with the LawnMaster MEB 1114K. The first time I used it, I was blown away by its 3,300 RPM power and 14-inch cutting width. I remember rolling it out of the garage feeling optimistic about tackling my overgrown lawn. The lightweight design made it easy to maneuver, especially around tight corners and flower beds. I appreciate how it's environmentally friendly since there's no gas or batteries involved. The adjustable cutting height was a game changer, allowing me to customize the cut between 1.4 to 3 inches easily. I pushed it over thick patches of grass and it handled them with ease. The 7-gallon collection bag minimized the mess, allowing me to keep my yard tidy. Now let's dive into the pros and cons. On the positive side, it's incredibly lightweight at 27.9 pounds, making it easy to push and store. The powerful motor and multiple cutting positions make it suitable for various grass types. However, being corded limits mobility, especially if you have a large yard. Additionally, the small cutting width means more passes, which can be time-consuming. So why should you buy the LawnMaster MEB 1114K? For anyone looking for a reliable, budget-friendly option to maintain a smaller yard, this mower fits the bill perfectly. It combines eco-friendliness with solid performance, making it an ideal choice for those who care about the environment but still want a neat lawn. Product number 2. LawnMaster LMRM 1801. Is the LawnMaster LMRM 1801. I was a bit skeptical about a manual push mower, but this one changed my perspective. The scissor-like cut means no ripping or tearing of grass blades, which is crucial for a healthy lawn. I remember the first time I pushed it on my small lawn. The 18-inch deck and 10-inch front wheels made it incredibly easy to navigate. The 9 different cutting positions allowed me to customize the height, which is perfect if you want that well-manicured look. When considering pros and cons, the advantages include its environmentally friendly design. No gas or batteries needed. It's lightweight and quiet, making it pleasant to use on a serene Saturday morning. The downside? It's not ideal for larger lawns as the manual operation requires a bit more effort than powered options. Plus, if your grass is too tall, you might struggle to get an even cut. So why should you consider the LawnMaster LMRM 1801? If you have a small lawn and value sustainability, this mower is worth every penny. It's fantastic for those who want to stay fit while mowing, and it promotes a healthier lawn without the pollution. Product number 3. Neverland Riding Lawn Mower Cover. Let's switch gears with the Neverland Riding Lawn Mower Cover. While it's not a mower, it plays a crucial role in protecting your investment. I remember when I first bought my riding mower, I was worried about leaving it outside. This cover, made from durable 420D polyester, was a lifesaver. Its universal size fit my mower perfectly, and the drawstring closure kept it snug against the elements. Living in an area with unpredictable weather, I appreciated its waterproof design. When discussing pros and cons, one of the best features is its windproof design with secure quick-release buckles. It's easy to put on and take off, which is a plus for busy weekends. However, the cover can be a bit cumbersome to store when not in use, and you need to be careful to choose the right size for your mower model. So why buy this cover? If you want to extend the life of your riding mower and keep it looking great, this cover is essential. It's a small investment that pays off by preventing rust and wear from the elements. Product number 4. LawnMaster MEB 1216K Electric Lawnmower. I have the LawnMaster MEB 1114K, which is slightly larger than the previous model. The first time I used this mower, I was astonished by its powerful 3,500 RPM motor and 16-inch cutting width. I remember zipping through my lawn like it was butter. The adjustable cutting height was incredibly easy to modify on the go, and the 8-gallon collection bag allowed me to mow for longer without stopping to empty it. On the pros and cons side, the cutting performance is top-notch and the design is lightweight, making it easy to manage. However, just like the MEB 1114K, the corded nature can be limiting for larger yards. If you have a lot of open space, you might find yourself needing an extension cord or moving the mower around a lot. So why buy the Lawnmaster MEB 1216K? If you're looking for a balance between power and ease of use, this mower is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who want a powerful, reliable mower that can tackle a mid-sized yard without breaking the bank. Product number 5. American Lawnmower Company 1204-14 Push Reel Lawnmower. I tried the American Lawnmower Company 1204-14. This manual push mower is a classic, and I was excited to see how it performed. Weighing only 19 pounds, it was a breeze to push around my small lawn. The 4-blade reel cut through grass like a hot knife through butter, and I loved the fact that it's so environmentally friendly. No noise, no gas, just pure mowing. The adjustable height feature is a nice touch. I found it easy to set the blade to my preferred length. Pros include its lightweight design and the fact that it's virtually maintenance-free. The downside? It's not as effective on very tall grass, and if your lawn is larger, you might find it a bit labor-intensive. So why consider the American Lawnmower Company 1204-14? If sustainability is your priority and you have a small yard, this mower is a fantastic option. It's easy to use, eco-friendly, and a great way to get some exercise while keeping your lawn neat and tidy. In conclusion, whether you're looking for a powerful electric mower, a reliable manual option, or a protective cover for your riding mower, these 5 products have you covered. Make an informed choice based on your lawn size, your environmental priorities, and your budget. Happy mowing!